And viewers, in the latest in the NEET scam case, the centre has submitted an affidavit before the Supreme Court regarding the NEET undergrad 2024 leak allegations. The hearing on the matter is slated to take place today. I will cut across to my colleague Riyanka, who continues to be outside the Supreme Court. Riyanka, very good morning to you. The Supreme Court is going to resume the all-important hearing on the petitions of several students and aspirants as well as legal practitioners. The centre and the NTA continue their demand and continue to maintain that the re-examination must not be held as it affects the lives of all these 24 lakh students. But the students demand the re-examination. Now the Supreme Court has also filed a fresh affidavit. I have two questions for you. First of all, what can we expect from the hearing today? And then also take our viewers once again through the details of the affidavit filed by the centre.
That's right, Kriti. This has been a flashpoint between the students, the NEET aspirants and the centre, the NTA, because there have been several irregularities that have been flagged by the students, and now we saw how the Supreme Court in the previous hearing had in fact accepted that there were a leak of paper that had taken place. On the other hand, we saw how the tone changed initially. There were several times when the centre had denied any sort of paper leak, but currently, after all the evidences that have been shown, the NTA had in fact agreed, the Education Ministry had agreed that there were certain anomalies where the paper leak case was found. Now, in terms of the latest affidavit that has been filed at the Supreme Court by the NTA, it says that several measures have been taken regarding the irregularities, but categorically mentioning the fact that the irregularities that has taken place, it has not happened in mass numbers, which now looks like the NTA clearly denying that there has been mass malpractices that have been alleged by the students and all those who have been protesting continuously. On the other hand, the future of the students continues to lie in hanging, and they have all hopes and eyes on the Supreme Court's today's hearing. We have to wait and see whether the court will be giving its verdict today or not, whether there will be a conduction of re-NEET examinations or not. That is going to be the big thing we will be looking out for. But currently, it is all in the hands of the Supreme Court, how it observes the affidavit and the responses filed by the NTA and what it speaks about and how it observes the arguments of the students' side. The students continue to allege that there has been a massive nexus that needs to be busted. There are only few incidents that have been reported of the paper leak, but they continue to allege that it is a big chain that needs to be busted by the investigating agencies. So we have to wait and see. Very crucial day today for all the NEET aspirants.
All right, Riyanka, stay with us. Also want to ask you as to how the CBI probe in various states is going on in connection to the NEET paper leak allegations. Of course, we showed our viewers how there was a multi-state nexus. Several areas where paper leak allegations had come forth and evidence was also found. How is the CBI investigation in connection to all these separate cases proceeding?
Quite high, Kriti, as you mentioned and asked me in terms of the CBI investigation. The CBI is quite thoroughly investigating each and every mafia that has come into light regarding the paper leak. There have been several of these multi-state nexuses that have been busted by the agency, one being in Godhra, other being in Patna, in Uttar Pradesh, in Jharkhand. So in these areas, the CBI is building a very, very strong case and looking into the irregularities as to how the paper leak had taken place into the dark web. So that is also being taken care of. This has been very clearly mentioned in the NTA's affidavit in front of the court that, all the irregularities that is coming to light, it is being taken care of. There are several measures that is being taken care of at this moment. But also on the other hand, denying that it has not happened in a mass scale. So we have to wait and see how these arguments go ahead today. On the other hand, hand, like I rightly mentioned, the CBI is doing its job, but we have to see what else comes out. How far does this dark web gets exposed as being alleged by the students and all the NEET aspirants who continue to hit the streets demanding justice for all the 24 lakh students, lives of the 24 lakh students, and of course conduction of the re-NEET examinations.
All right, well, thanks for giving us those details, Riyanka. But let's tell our viewers once again, even as the Supreme Court, even as the centre has said that there are not many instances of mass irregularity, let's remind our viewers what the Supreme Court had also said, that even 0.001% of negligence in the conduct of exam will not be tolerated. Students have high hopes from the top court, viewers, as the Apex Court will pursue their complaints today in the court. We'll track all the latest developments in the Supreme Court. For now, let's shift our focus.